You can also create ads on Facebook. Come here at the right top of the bar, of the blue bar here, and click on the arrow, and you can click on create ads. Although I do suggest that you go for posts because they are targeted, you can choose, and also ads are targeted, but you are going to spend more. And here you just select campaign, choose an objective, okay? And then what is your market objective? Traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, messages. Say you want traffic, okay? Okay, then continue. Okay, here you set the name in Germany, over age, and you can create a custom audience. Target as to people who know your business, okay? Location, everyone in this location in Germany. Or you can add more locations like United States and so on if you want. The age between 18 and 16, all you can, or even you can select the gender. You can enter your languages if you want. And then people will watch at least one of the following suggestion, or the demographics if you want. Then you save the audience. Then placement, we want to have automatic placement or edit placement. Removing placement may reduce the number of people you reach and may make it less likely that you'll meet your goal. So automatic placement, it's okay. And then the budget, you want a daily budget of $20 and so on. You'll spend no more than $140 per week. And you can click on continue. Okay. And then you want this to be in which page? So you need to select one of your page, or use a selected Facebook page, or add an account. Then you want the format. It's a carousel, single image, single video, and so on. You can see the preview. You add the text, the link of a website. You want to have an image or video or slideshow, headline, description, destination and URL. For example, here we have the URL of my page. Here, this page selected here. This is the URL. Okay, and then I can review and or click on confirm. So as simple as that.